You would ask anybody in the box who are inmates if they want someone taking care of their parents who are using drugs. And I would hope that if the home healthcare provider people you're working for knew you were going to test positive, I would hope they would say, hey, we can't have you working here because you're using drugs.
A nursing assistant caring for vulnerable patients just tested positive in court. Judge Boyd's reaction will make you rethink healthcare safety.
Court is calling 2023 CR 7893, State of Texas versus Clark Shepard. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
James Ishimoto for the defense.
Probation, this is an application. Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
I have, Judge.
And are you Mr. Shepard?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Clark, I'm going to show you what's entitled Application for Community Supervision or Deferred Adjudication. Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes,
Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Shepard, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance. Penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe he was.
Mr. Shepard, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. They will take in consideration County Court Cause number 720811, and there's to be an anger management course. Did you understand though that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the agreement. State is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 5 years. There be a top evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution, no contact with Bree, B-R-E-E, and Campbell, C-A-M-P-B-E-L-L. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Your Honor, I offer State Exhibit 1 in the attachments.
No objection.
All right, states you may continue to confer. Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you have applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We would just ask the court to follow the plea agreement. Mr. Shepard is committed to getting his life back on track and doing the right thing, and I believe he will do well on probation.
All right, who is Bree Campbell to you?
She was my ex-wife. I've been with her since I was 21 and we had a house together. I'm 33 now, so I was going through it.
Okay, here's the thing, you're talking too fast.
I'm sorry. My apologies. She used to be my wife. I've been with her since I was 21. I was 33 and we had a house together. And then I'm just going through a divorce. But that's what she is. She's my ex-wife.
Do y'all have any children together?
No, ma'am.
Has the divorce been finalized?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you have any children?
No, ma'am.
Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I'm a certified nurse's assistant at Ashbury Broadway Healthcare.
Taking care of patients?
Yes, ma'am. I was going through a mental breakdown.
Yeah. And your drug test today, what are the results going to be?
It'll come up there.
All right, for what?
Weed.
And what else?
It might be ecstasy. It might be the last time I took it was December 31st.
Okay. All right. So here's the thing. People on probation here, I don't allow people to be home healthcare providers. And if you're using drugs, you shouldn't be doing that anyway. I mean, I understand, but the problem is people who are home healthcare providers, and I don't know why the home healthcare provider field does this. From where I stand, I don't think they do sufficient background checks. Now, is your mom still alive?
She don't support me. She's not with me.
No. I mean, who do you have alive in your life that you love and you care about?
It was my mother, but she disowned me.
Okay, so your mother, how about your grandmother, grandfather, anybody like that? Anybody in your life, who in your life you care about other than yourself?
My grandfather, grandmother, they passed away.
All right, but you love them, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you want somebody taking care of them if they're using?
No.
So, I mean, and people don't think about that because sometimes we're selfish, and I can say that I've been selfish in my life as well. So the people who are in facilities that have people taking care of them, the people who place them there, hopefully they're hoping that the person who's taking care of them, not going to have criminal history, not going to use drugs. So I'm not going to allow that to continue. Maybe once you're clean and sober, then maybe I'll reconsider, but I'm not going to have you taking care of vulnerable people. All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 5 years deferred adjudication. Take in consideration County Court Cause number 720811. Proof of employment within 45 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be 200 hours of community service restitution. There's to be no contact with Bree and Campbell. You all have already completed your divorce. You don't have any children together, so there's no reason to contact her. That relationship is over. There's to be anger management, TAP evaluation, out of custody, follow recommendations. If TAP recommends inpatient treatment, we're going to start with the intensive outpatient treatment. Either way, we're starting with intensive outpatient treatment. I'm going to run a referral to felony drug court. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular random UAs. And he's going to need to be tested for levels. That levels of marijuana needs to start coming down. Are you living with anyone or you live by yourself?
Oh,
You're homeless?
yeah. Okay. Oh,
All right. So field visits at Haven for Hope, if they allow it. I will tell you the best program for you seems as though it would be felony drug court. They'll help him with housing and all of that. So you need to let felony drug court know what your issues are and be honest with them about your drug use. All right. Probation, is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Is there anything else you need from the court?
Just to let you know that I've been sitting there all my life, so I don't know what to do now. I guess I gotta find another career or something, so I'm gonna have to try to find a job.
Yes, I mean, that's what you're gonna have to do. And I know this seems as a punishment, but I don't know anybody who wants someone taking care of their parents or vulnerable people if they're using drugs. I don't think you can ask anybody in the box who are inmates if they want someone taking care of their parents who are using drugs. And I would hope that if the home healthcare provider people you're working for knew you were going to test positive, I would hope they would say, hey, we can't have you working here because you're using drugs.
Okay, I understand what you're saying.
All right. And I'm not doing it to be mean, but my job as a judge when I place people on probation or give sentences is to make sure that the community is protected.
You know, way that I can do things and then get back to work or no? Not at
No,
all.
I already said that once you are clean and sober and you've proven to me that you can maintain your sobriety, then I'll reconsider. But it's not going to happen this month. It's not going to happen next month because you need to work on your sobriety. And Rashawn, we can, and Mr. Ishimoto, we can also see if maybe Lifetime Recovery will accept him. They have an inpatient treatment program and he'll have a place to stay. So we can refer him to felony drug court, Lifetime Recovery.
Felony drug court first.
Yes, felony drug court first and then Lifetime Recovery. And Mr. Ishimoto, if you want to make contact with the judge in felony drug court or with Lifetime Recovery to see, they'll probably be able to get him in quickly.
Okay.
And that way he'll have a place to live. All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. We can go off the record. Mr. Shepard, if you need anything and you feel like probation is not addressing that, you can come back to court. If there's an issue where you still can't get housing, come back to court. We have resources and we'll see if we can get housing for you. All right, thank you.
Clark Shepard, a 33-year-old certified nursing assistant, stood before Judge Boyd facing second-degree felony drug possession charges. Fresh off a divorce and living homeless, Shepard tested positive for marijuana and benzos on his court date, admitting his last use was New Year's Eve. The case took an intense turn when Judge Boyd discovered he was working as a home healthcare provider while using drugs. She didn't hold back, asking if he'd want someone high taking care of his loved ones. Her protective instincts kicked in hard, banning him from healthcare work with vulnerable adults and minors until he proved sobriety. Shepard received 5 years deferred adjudication, 200 hours community service, anger management, intensive outpatient treatment, and a referral to felony drug court with housing assistance. Judge Boyd made it crystal clear. Community safety comes first, and his nursing career is on pause until he's clean.